everybody and welcome to Her Majesty Cooks, the home of British cooking. Today we're going to be doing a regional dish that originates from Middlesbrough in the Teeside area, and it's a very popular takeaway dish called Parmo chicken. So let's cook! Okay, so first thing we're going to do, I've got a chicken breast here, quite a large one, and I've cut it in half horizontally, so we've got two nice sort of fillets there, and I've just lightly bashed them out between some cling film so that they're a bit flatter. So I'm just going to season them now with some salt and pepper. Give it a nice flavour there, and just turn it over and do the other side. And then we're going to flour, egg and breadcrumb them now. So just give them a dab in the flour and shake it off, straight into the egg, like so, and then into the breadcrumbs. These are breadcrumbs that have just been dried out a bit as well, so they make them nice and crunchy for cooking. We're actually going to deep fry these. I have tried them oven baked and shallow fried, but to be honest, I think maybe the deep frying is the better way, because we put a sauce on top after this, so you know, they just hold their crispness a bit better. It's a bit of a messy job, as it always is, breadcrumbing. There we go, just shake that off. So we can just clean ourselves up now, and I'll put the deep fryer on at 170. Right, so this is up to temperature now, so we're just going to carefully pop it into the hot oil until they're cooked through and nicely golden brown. Okay, so that's ready now to come out. That looks lovely and golden brown. So that's had roughly about 2.5 minutes. They're nice and golden now. So this is a bit different. So we're going to put this on the tray there. And then I'm going to put on, I've got a quantity of my homemade white sauce here. This is just flavoured, you know, just got seasoning in it. And we are going to just put this is quite a thick sauce I've made here, just so that it will sit on top of the chicken like that. A bit more on there. And now we're going to add to the calories even more and put some cheese on. I've got a mixture here of cheddar, and this is a strong red Leicester called Red Fox. I just think it's such a nice punchy cheese, and I think you need quite a nice flavoursome cheese on top of this. So when we've done that, we're just going to pop it under the grill until the cheese has all melted I mean, I know it looks quite calorific, but it is meant to be like a takeaway dish, or a take on a takeaway dish. So they are rather fattening, aren't they? Okay. So we've got a nice hot grill here. So just pop it under there and leave it till it looks all bubbly and golden with the cheese on top. That looks lovely and golden now, all melted and gooey. So we'll serve up now. So I'm just going to serve up now. We've just got it all out on the plate, and we're just going to add a few homemade chips there just to finish it off. So there we go. That's tea sorted. I hope you have a go at making this unusual takeaway dish. Let me know in the comments below how you got on. So I'm off for my cup of tea now, and I'll see you next time. Bye.